Another common question we have here at Fostech is how to function test your Echo trigger. So it's very similar to other AR triggers with the exception of this mechanism right here. It's the trigger lock. So you're going to feel like you can't ever pull the trigger no matter where you have the selector position at because of the trigger lock. Test number 1 is safe. Go ahead and make sure the hammer's cocked. Push this forward. You should not be able to drop the hammer in safe with the trigger lock forward. Semi-auto, push this forward. Hammer drops. Keep the trigger pulled. Cock it as if the carrier was cocking it. Release it. And it should not fire or release the hammer on the release in semi-auto mode. That's function test number 2. Function test number 3 is in Echo mode. So again, cock the hammer, trigger lock forward, pull the trigger, keep the trigger pulled, bring it back. Now on this one, when I release, it should drop the hammer, which it did. Okay, function test number 4 has to do with the ability for the Echo trigger not to fire the second round if you do not want it to. So we're going to be in Echo mode for this function test. Again, we're going to want to cock the hammer, push the trigger lock forward, pull the trigger and hold the trigger down, and then recock the hammer as if the carrier was cocking it. Then you should be able to move the selector to either semi-automatic mode and all the way to safe without the hammer dropping by just rotating. So there's semi-auto, and I can still go all the way to safe. Hammer never drops. I could also just decide if I wanted to just go to semi-automatic mode, not all the way to safe. So in that, I'm in Echo currently. I switched to semi-auto and I let off. Hammer does not drop.